Everybody, welcome to African Not Food. I hope everybody is well. If it's your first time coming to our channel, we welcome you, and please do subscribe. Okay, so today we have Fante for you guys. Fante is Ghanaian fisherman stew that we're going to make today. So today we have our fish here. I'm using snapper, red snapper, and mackerel, and also we have our tomatoes here, garlic, ginger, onion, shallot, and scotch bonnet, and then we have our shrimp cube here. We have one large onion chop, and then we have prawn powder, and then we have also zumi oil, and then we have tomato paste here. And so we're going to eat this with garlic fufu. So this is our garlic here. So first, so if you like to know how we do our stew, please stay tuned. So first of all, we're going to add our oil, palm oil, into our pan here. Okay. So we're going to leave it to heat up a bit, and then we can add the onions into it. Adding the onions into our oil, we're going to leave it to cook a bit. While the onion is cooking, we're going to blend the onion, the ginger, garlic, and tomatoes, and the scotch bonnet and shallot here. Blend the mixture. I haven't added any water. I'm adding the tomato paste. That's 1 tablespoon. Here. That tomato paste is optional. You don't have to. I'm just adding that to thicken up my stew a bit, but it's optional. The tomatoes is ready. I'm gonna add this into the stew, into the onions. Sorry. We stir really well. Leave it to cook for 10 minutes. We're adding the prawn powder or shrimp powder into my stew, and also the prawn cube here. So I'm using one here. It's enough. All right, stir and that, and now stir. We're going to add the fish. So I have seasoned the fish with Raja fish seasoning. That's really good. When you're seasoning fish, use that. It's really good. So I'm going to add the fish into the stew. And I'm going to leave this on the low heat. I'm going to stir first and leave it on a low heat for it to cook nicely. Okay. So while our fish is cooking, I'm going to make our garlic fufu. So be ready. The next 10 minutes, the stew will be ready. Okay, so I'm going to cover this, leave it to cook. Our garlic is done. But if you find that you do that it's a bit hard, you can just add water to it to make it a bit softer than this. But this is the consistency that I want. So that's it. I'm going to serve with the stew for you to see. So this is our stew. It's still cooking. It's done now. So this is how our Fante look like. We have served, added a bit of onion on top to decorate it, make it a bit fancy, and then we have finished our garlic fufu as well, and it goes with it. And in Fante you can have it with kenke, you can have it with baile, which is yam, you can have it plantain, anything, any food, any solid thing you can eat with. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy cooking with us today. Sorry, and then you'll come back again and join us. Please do like, share, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up and comment. Thank you for coming today. Have a blessed day. Bye.